Hi there, my name's April Sawtelle and welcome to my channel. Today all I'm going to be doing is just showing you some of my fabric. I've never really done that, I don't think, so today I'll just take you along, show you a few of the areas where I keep it. I won't be showing you all of the areas today because I need to clean some of the areas, so I'll do that in a different segment. What I really am doing is I need to start picking out a bunch of colors, so that's why it's on my mind right now. I need to pick out a bunch of fabrics for my next quilt. I hope you enjoy just going along for the ride. It's really a video about just seeing how I store my fabric. So when you walk down my stairs, you're going to go down 7 stairs and you're going to come to this. Down on the bottom is all the yardage on the bolts. To the right is all my back ends. Everything in here is color coordinated. This is it's all yardage. Over here though, to the right, this is where I keep most of my fat quarters. I have areas, again, I'll show you some more areas here in a second with more fat quarters, but for the most part, that little small to the right is just fat quarters. And then here's what it looks like, that whole area, yardage, and then the fat quarters. And then down below in those little bins, that's like Christmas fabrics, Christmas scraps. Over here, this is inside of the room. It has back ends and it has like children's fabric. Also, it's all my a lot of the pre-cuts like layer cakes and stuff. We're going to walk into the room. This is my long arm room and I share that with this bed for, my family for a spare room. And I have all my bins there. I've shown you these bins before. That's where I keep all of my scraps and they're all color coded. So I like to keep everything by color. It's easy for me to have access to when it's in color. So this is where I do my long arm is in this room. I'll give you a full-blown tour of it sometime. This is really just showing you the fabric. Here I've got fabric up top, all the whites and stuff. In this little bin here I have pre-cuts, jelly rolls, fat quarters, charm packs. Over here, we're going to walk right through this little skinny area, and this is behind my long arm. I have all my Minkies are in these bins and boxes and bags back there. I have over here, these are more fat quarters and my homespun fabrics that I have out on display. This is just looking out at, how that looks right there. This is the closet where I keep all the solids and all of the not batten, but so I guess there is some batten in there, but there's stuff-ins. I have another area in the house where I keep all the batten. I buy them by the bolts and I have like 3 of them. I keep all of my fleece, and in the bins on the bottom, that's where I keep all the flannels. Sometime I'm going to take you through every bit of the stuff I have in here. I have a lot of different craft things, even under tables and stuff that I can show you sometime. But for now, I just wanted to kind of just show you how I store my fabric. I have even my crochet stuff. You can see up there in the top left, that's all crochet stuff. So a lot of the stuff does stay in here, but it's nice because now I can go to the other areas when I'm looking for prints, and I can come to this area when I need the solids and flannels. I do have some pre-cuts in here as well. They're in some of those boxes now that I'm thinking about it. In the bins, I have like fleece pre-cuts and some little kids projects that are all pre-cuts for quilts. I see they're out of sight, so I'm not even thinking about those. So it'll be fun if I ever do give you a full-blown tour of all of the items that I have in here, and then I'll see what I have. And for the future, I do plan on doing stuff like that. So, and over here, those rolls to the right, those are just I showed you them, something I had received along the way for free. I had been gifted that, and that was really great. I actually have that out on my sewing area right now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Remember to keep it simple. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye, little Miss Reddy Thready.